Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says if 3 power x equals 4 power x minus 1, then x. So, look at this how we will approach this problem. So, if 3 power x equals 4 power x minus 1. Now, you know that you have to calculate x. Here, if you'll observe, you cannot compare the base because base is different, power is different. So we don't know how to manipulate this problem. So the idea is whenever you will have problem with the power, think about log. Here the power is in, like the variable x is in the power, and we don't know how to take that power at the base. So what we'll do, we will think about log. If you guys are thinking about the log, you should think about the base of the log. But for this question, if you'll observe the answers, base 3, base 2, base 4, base 2, we don't know which one is the correct answer. And in all the options, bases are different. So what I'll do, I will think about the log, but for time being, I will ignore the base. For time being, okay? Later I'll start manipulating things. Now, I'll take log on both sides. So it goes this way, log 3 power x equals log 4 power x minus 1. Now you know that if anything is in the power of, argument comes at coefficient. So it goes this way, x log 3 x minus 1 log 4. Now what we have to do, we will keep variable one side, constant one side. So look at this, this is minus of log 4. So this minus of log 4 will ask to come this side, and it is x log 4 minus x log 3. So from there we guys can calculate x. So if we will take x common, we will be left with log 4 minus log 3 equals log 4. Okay, now can I write down the value of x to be log 4 upon log 4 minus log 3. Now from here onwards, we guys will think about the base of the log. Now for this question, look at here, the base of the log is 3. So if base of the log is 3, I'll take base. So x equals to, can I write this 4 to be 2 square? So the power of 2 will come at coefficient, so it will become 2 log 2 base 3 upon 2 log 2 base 3, and log 3 base 3 will become 1. So look at that, option number 1 is correct. Okay, I hope the idea is clear. Now check the next situation. In next situation, if you'll observe, the base is 2. The base is 2. So either option number 2 is correct or option number 4 is correct. So x will become what? This. Like, you can start from here as well. Just think about the base as 2. So it is 2 times log 2 base 2 will become 2, and 2 times log 2 base 2 will become 2 minus log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2. So if you will observe, this x is equal to the option number 2. Hence the option number 4 is wrong. Now you have to take a base to be 4. So if you think about base to be 4, x goes log 4 base 4 is 1 upon log 4 base 4 is 1 minus log 3 base 4. Okay, I hope, and this connects you with option number 3rd. Hence the correct options are 1, 2 and 3. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.